much. Thank you.
Atumia nio mekoraga hatikaini ya kunyururio nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria gukiringithanio na arume, undu uria riu utigaga atumia hatikaini cia kimeciria na angi makeruta muoyo. Guku thi yothe igithie na mbere na kambeini ya thiku 13 cia kunina ngui kuri atumia, riu ahuthiri a nenda cia ukinyaniria na makiria mbeu njithi ni moritio kwihuga gucungirira ngui kuona undu uyu no umatware hatikaini cia kiwatho.
Trolling iria happen online ni affect andu mentally. No muthi turariria maundu kuria mundu angiona msaada, where can you find support nigetha uteithio kumenya uria ungika wimenyerere no hote ningi kuoya hatua ya kisheria ya kuhakikisha ya kwamba andu aria maragwikira maundu ta mau ri ni marihiria mehia mao. Riu turenda gusensitize andu tumamenyithie atiriri, oneria mundu kuoya mbica yaku kana kuoya details ciaku na agaci release online, rigi wa muheire in confidence akikuhura mbica in private na agithia gici release online, sheria ruga uguo ni uru na hatua no yoerwo mundu ta ucio no huo kana kurihe damages. Riu turenda andu mamenye atiriri ati your personal data needs to be protected.
Anyiti itemi matiganite akuruira ihoto cia atumia aria mekoraga hatikaini cia kunyururio kana bara, makiuga uthunduri ukinyaniria-ini wa kiriu ni utumaga andu aingi mage kuona kihoto. Na hihi mundu angikora hatikaini ya kunyururio nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria ri agirirwo ni kuoya ikinya riririku?
Kenyans have developed this very violent culture where we are very insultive, very abusive in our platforms, and the biggest victims of such incidences, of such violations, are always the women. Tukiangalia as per the reports, per the studies done by various governmental organizations, by various civil society groups, the biggest victims of such crimes are women.
Oho arume magithingatwo gukorwo muhari-ini wa mbere hari kurwa na thina uyu uria uri nenda-ini itiganite.
It's a very big challenge in terms of reporting because it is pegged on the social media platform that is being used. Because, for instance, I can maybe want to report someone who has trolled me on Facebook, but it will take Facebook to acknowledge that, to be able for you to be assisted. And then too, of course, there are legal procedures because we see these acts being there, and also there are enforcement policies.
The media platforms icio onacio cikoragwo na njira yacio ya ku report in case somebody violates you online, you can report to the social media platforms. Na wena option ningi ona ya gwika atia ya ku block mundu tocio nigetha uimenyerere we mwene na make sure ati maisha maku matiratuika affected. It is just an amendment or expand certain provisions iria ciariho watho-ini wa 2018.
Riu akenya makiurio guthoma watho wa nenda-ini uria wathondekirwo wero na gwikirirwo kirore ni mutongoria wa bururi niguo gwithemana na uhuthiri wa nenda utagiriire. Ngiribotera ceceni ya Kameme TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, njitagwo Wanjeri wa Kariuki.